lovelies, and welcome to my channel. This is Leanne from Resin Creations, and I hope you are doing well. In today's video, I'll be showing how I make a resin ocean sea art. So here I have my couple rocks ready, pebbles for the beach. And I'm just putting down some clear resin to stick them on, and my aim this way is try to keep them dry, as if you get drips of resin, they look that they've been splashed with water. So I'm trying to achieve the dry look this time. And yes, I'm back to creating some sea art because it has been really gorgeous, nice weather here in South Devon in UK, and as I live near sea, I keep going to it, and every time I'm there I fall in love with the sea, and I just want to recreate it on my pieces. And yes, sea is definitely my inspiration at the moment. So here is my rest of the resin and some sand that I grabbed from the beach. So I'm mixing it together, and after gonna be placing on my panel. This panel is about 40 times 40 centimeters big, and I painted it with white gesso, and also there is around some frog tape to prevent the edges from getting mucky. So I did roughly mark the area that I would like my beach to be, and I'm just going over and trying to fill it in. And after that, I'll grab some more embellishments, you can call them, like shells and some little rocks and some abalone shells, and just gonna try to make this beach part as natural as I can. and then I let it to cure overnight, and this is the next day, and I will use these beautiful mica colors to create my first base layer. And I am mixing the resin quite opaque because as it is my base layer, I want that it's not see-through. And I'm using for this project Apex Resin 1 coat, that it is really thick resin and it does help a lot in these type of projects. And once again, it's all about feeling and just going with the flow. And for me, always, it's like a debate with myself: did I mix enough resin, or I will need to mix a bit more? And luckily for me, this time I had just the right amount for it. And now I am going over with a heat gun for two reasons. Firstly, to pop the bubbles, and secondly, to mix and blend the colors together so it's nice transition between them. And then I will let them to cure. And this is the next day, and I have mixed my resin, and now I will try to make a wave. So this is the clear that I'm going down first, and now I'm applying my colored resin. And this time I mixed my resin with resin ink. So this is making resin really nice and transparent, and it is great for the second and third layers. So we are building as well transparency for the sea water. And yeah, I'll mix again with my heat gun. I'll try to cover all the board. I had a couple weeks off from resin. I was taking a break for two reasons. Firstly, because I was very close to the final exam, so I had to put all my energy towards studying. And secondly, lately I didn't feel that inspired anymore creations out of resin, and so I'll be honest, taking these couple weeks off have given me such a boost, and I am full of new ideas, and I am ready to create and create and create. And this creation that I'm making today, it was such a cheerful experience to do, because I didn't do because I had to do, but I was doing because I wanted to do, and that makes such a difference. So I suggest, like, if you struggle in life and you feel like you have to do it, you have to do it. It's not like that. You need to take a break. You need to reset your mindset, and after, you will be able to do things with much more joy. So yeah, sorry for my bubbles, but now I am ready with making my first wave. So I'm just placing down bit transparent and going over with my white, and now I'm gonna make the wave. I take it slowly. There is no need to rush. You kind of need to feel this process and trust it. So I'm just speeding it up, and you will see much better. So this white is from Just For You Online UK, and I'm honestly saying that I'm really happy with this white, and I just ordered a new pot, and gonna carry on using it. And you can see beautiful cells are appearing there. And after this, I will let it cure once again. This resin is great, it cures quite fast. So it says that after 2 hours it's already cured. So if you want to work faster, you can do easily. But for me, I like to do it once a day, so I keep it for 24 hours. And here are the tints that I didn't show the previous time, but this is how they look like. And once again, I gonna make a wave, and this time I trying to achieve a 3D looking like. And I'm just putting some resin, gonna blend it again, and then I'm gonna make my waves. But unfortunately, I did change the angle of camera to see better how I blow out the waves. But silly me, I forgot to press record. So unfortunately, here is no white pour with blowing out the waves. This is how it looks after the pour, that I managed to press the record button. Clever me. And I'm quite happy. The cells are there and the water looks absolutely beautiful. And this is the final result. The painting has cured. I removed the masking tape. Edges are nice and crisp and white. And this is my water painting. And yeah, I'm really happy of how it's looking. So I hope you found this video useful and entertaining. Please let me know by leaving comment down below. But for now, I'm saying goodbye. Until next time, keep creating. Bye.